Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you enable the Automatically Apply Credits toggle switch option in the Automation section of the Advanced category in the Account and Settings window and save your changes, then QuickBooks Online automatically applies existing customer credits to the next invoice you create for that customer. It does this by adding the new invoice to the previous overpayment or prepayment you recorded in the Receive Payment window, which you can see if you open the previous payment in this window. However, if you need to manually apply customer credits in QuickBooks Online, first ensure the Automatically Apply Credits toggle switch option in the Automation section of the Advanced category in the Account and Settings window is toggled to the Off position, and then save your changes. To then manually apply the customer credit to an invoice you have created, open the All Sales page by selecting Sales and then All Sales from the navigation bar to open the All Sales page. Then find the previous customer payment that resulted in the credit to open its Receive Payment window. Its type should be Payment, and its status should be either unapplied or partial. Then click it in the list to reopen it within the Receive Payment window. The amount of the customer credit previously created by this payment should appear in the Amount to Credit field in the lower right corner of the Receive Payment window. Note this amount, and then type it into the Payment field for the new invoice to which to apply the credit. Then exit the field to show updated totals within the Receive Payment window. The amount to credit should now be 0. You can then save and close the transaction by selecting the Save and Close command from the drop-down button in the lower right corner of the Windows toolbar. The new status of the payment item in the All Sales page should now show closed. Later, when the customer remits payment for the remainder of the invoice, you can enter that into the Receive Payment window as usual, and the invoice should reflect the current amount due within its open balance column in the Outstanding Transactions list. Additionally, if a customer has a credit that will not be used in the future against any invoices, you can create a credit memo for the customer and issue them a refund check for the credit amount. Creating credit memos and issuing refund checks is covered in the following chapter.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.